Welcome to my channel Daily English. Improve your vocabulary. Daily use words. Frigid, cool. Some plants can grow in such a frigid atmosphere. In this frigid weather, the crowd lined up to buy things. Acknowledge, response. He quickly acknowledged my all emails. She acknowledged his greeting with a smile. Narrate, tell, describe. He narrates the story of two men's armed robbery. The main character narrates the story. Initiate, start. They wanted to initiate the discussion. Only the man who initiated the fight was taken to jail. Frosty, cold. The weather turned frosty. Your plants should be protected in frosty weather. Tedious, tiresome. He made a tedious 45-minute speech. The work is tedious, but it needs to get done. Slice, cut. She sliced the lemon in half. The knife sliced through the cake easily. Raze, destroy. Whole village have been razed to the ground. The woodland was razed by fire. Inequity, difference. The inequity between the rich and the poor is widening. The government must address the inequity in educational opportunities. Definite, certain. She made no definite plan for future. We didn't have any definite plan for future. Wreck, break. I wrecked my mother's car. The affair wrecked his marriage. Murky, dark. The light was too murky to continue playing. The law here is little bit murky. Sob, weep. She began to sob. You can't expect me to believe this sob story. Gorgeous, beautiful. This is a gorgeous town. The peacock has truly gorgeous tail. Enormous, huge. They live in enormous home. He earned enormous sums of money. Wrathful, furious. My mother was wrathful with my lying. Nettle, anger. He was nettled by her manners. They have shown that they are grasping the nettle. Shimmering, radiant, flash. The light shimmered on the water. The trees shimmered in the afternoon heat. Lofty, tall, high, grand. The lofty walls of the castle seems unattackable. Dauntless, brave. They are all dauntless soldiers. We need to be dauntless in pursuing our dreams. Significant, important. He won a significant amount of money. Today is a significant day for me. Twisted, zigzag. She slowly twisted the doorknob. She twisted the facts to make herself look good. Ignore, to refuse to take notice. She tried to ignore him, but he won't leave her alone. They ignored the warning signs. To watch more videos, like and subscribe my channel.